Hello and welcome to lesson 9 of the set theory series. In today's lesson, we will be talking about the Venn diagram. In our previous lesson, we talked about the Venn diagram, but our concentration was on two sets. But for today, we'll be looking at three sets within a Venn diagram. So, my name is Jay Akodabo. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. Let's start. Okay, so we are going to practically do an example using three sets of a Venn diagram. All right, so this is our practical example. A survey of students at the University of Technology's Post Department revealed the following information. 51 admire Hazard, 60 admire Ronaldo, 49 admire Messi, 36 admire Hazard and Ronaldo, 32 admire Messi and Ronaldo, 34 admire Hazard and Messi, 24 admire all three of the players, and 1 admires none of the three players. Okay, so after this, then we have the questions that follow. A. How many students were surveyed? B. How many admire Hazard but not Ronaldo or nor Messi? C. How many admire Ronaldo or Messi? D. How many admire exactly one of the players? And E. How many admire exactly two of the players? Okay, so we are actually going to use the Venn diagram to solve this problem. So let's go into that. So what we want to do in the first place is to draw our Venn diagram. So let us bring in the informations provided. Okay, these are the informations provided from the questions. So with this information on hand, let us draw our Venn diagram. So we'll draw the rectangular shape which will represent the universal set. Then we have three sets that are within the universal set. And with these three sets, we call this set Hazard set. Then this is Messi, and the next one is Ronaldo. All right. So after doing this, what we will want to do is to transfer these informations within a Venn diagram. Okay, and there is a particular way we do that. What we usually do is to begin from the intersection. Okay, so we do, since there are three sets, we begin from the intersections of those three sets. Then after the intersection of the three sets, then we go outward to the intersection of the two sets respectively. All right, so let us go into that. So for the first one, we will consider the intersection of the three sets. So that is the number of elements at the intersection of Hazard intersect Ronaldo intersect Messi. Okay, so if you look at the problem here, it says 24 admire all three of the players. So the 24 that admire all three of the players are in a set of all three of them. So they form the intersection of those three sets. So we say the number of members at the intersection of the three sets is 24. So we use this 24 to fill this region. That is the intersection of the three. Okay, then after that, we look at the intersection of the two sets respectively. So that would be considering the problem says Hazard and Ronaldo, 36 admire Hazard and Ronaldo. So that becomes 36 minus 24 because it's 24 that admire the three players and it's 36 that admire Hazard and Ronaldo. So you subtract that, you will have 12. It means 12 will occupy this place. Okay, then we go to the next one. That is the number of members for the intersection of Messi and Ronaldo. The intersection of Messi and Ronaldo. So we will be looking at students that admire Messi and Ronaldo. They are 32. So here the entire area is supposed to be 32, but we already have 24. So you will have now 32 minus 24. then you will have 8 here as the value for that. Then we go to the next one, the number of members at the intersection of Hazard intersect Messi minus Ronaldo. All right, so that would be for this portion. So you will have Messi and Hazard. Hazard and Messi is 34. So you have 34. So inclusively here, it should be 34, but we already have 24. So you will have 34 minus 24, which is 10. So 10 will be in this region. Now we have dealt with the intersections of the two sets respectively. Okay, so what we will do now is to go exclusively in these respective sets. Okay, then we have the number of members in Messi minus Hazard Union Ronaldo. So this is the region that we are concerned now about. And this region will definitely be, this is a set of Messi, so it's inclusively all in here. Messi minus the union of Hazard and Ronaldo. Okay, so these are the members that we are talking about. They form part of the union of Hazard and Ronaldo that you will be subtracting from that of Messi set. Okay, so for Messi, we have 49 admire Messi. So this 49 will be subtracting these values that also form part of the union of Hazard and Ronaldo from that value. So you have 49 minus 10 minus 24 minus 8. That will give you 7. So it means 7 will be here in this portion for Hazard or for Messi. Then we go to the next one, the number of members in Hazard minus Messi Union Ronaldo. So this is the region. So you have for Hazard, we have 51 admire Hazard. So you will subtract 10, 24, and 12 from 51. So you have 51 minus 10 minus 24 minus 12. So you'll be left with 5. So 5 will be in this region. So now for this region is Ronaldo minus the union of Hazard and Messi. So you will have 60 because 60 admire Ronaldo. 60 minus 8 minus 24 minus 12. These are 8, 24, and 12. So you'll be left with 16. So 16 will be here. Okay, so we fill these regions in the 3 sets. And the problem also say one admires none of the 3 players. So that one will be in the universal set, but it will be in neither of the 3 sets. So it will be outside of those 3 sets. So we'll place our 1 here. So now we have filled all of the regions. We have entered all of the values, in the Venn diagram. Okay, so let us now begin to solve our problems. So let's bring in problem A. Okay, A says how many students were surveyed. So the number of students that were surveyed actually represents the universal set. So we say the number of students in the universal set will be equals to the sum of all of these members in the respective regions of this Venn diagram. So we have 1, okay, 5, 7, 16, plus 10, plus 8, plus 12, and plus 24. So when you add all of that, you got 83. So we have 83 students that were surveyed for this identical situation. All right. So let's see the next one. B say how many admire Hazard but not Ronaldo nor Messi. So that is exclusively students that admire Hazard. So we have the number of students that admire Hazard minus the union of Ronaldo and Messi. Okay, so it is here. This is the region that we are talking about, and if you can clearly see here, this will be 5. All right, so that will be 5. 5 exclusively admire Hazard. Okay. C says how many admire only Ronaldo or Messi or both of them. This is a union, the union of those that admire Ronaldo and that of Messi. Okay, so that becomes the number of members in Ronaldo Union Messi minus Hazard. So if you look at the sets here, the Venn diagram, this is Messi and Ronaldo. So here the 10, 24, and 12, okay, admire Hazard, but they also admire other Messi or Ronaldo. Okay, but then this problem is concerned with students that admire only Ronaldo or Messi or both. So none of these in the set of Hazard will appear in that. So that would just be 7 plus 8 plus 16. These are the students that either admire Messi or Hazard. Okay, so it becomes 7 plus 8 plus 16. That will give you 31. So 31 of these students either admire Ronaldo or Messi. Then D says how many admire exactly one of the players. Exactly one of the players. If you can clearly see here, the 7 admire exactly one of the player. The 5 admire exactly one of the player, and the 16 admire exactly one of the players. Okay, so that will actually be mathematically, in terms of the numbering of sets, would be the number of members in Hazard Union Ronaldo Union Messi. Yes, the combination of all of them. Then minus Hazard intercept Messi Union Ronaldo intercept Messi Union Ronaldo intercept Hazard. So if you look here clearly, is all of the 3 sets, the members in all of the 3 sets, but you are going to be subtracting those that are within the intersection of each of these sets. Okay, so this region will be subtracted, because this region, these are students that either admire 2 or the 3 players. So this is not going to be part of it, because the problem is talking about exactly one of the player. So you will subtract this, you subtract this region, you subtract this region. So these 3 regions is the union of these 3 regions. Okay, so that's why we have the 3 regions here as the union. So you subtract that from the entire membership of the 3 sets. So that will give you 5 plus 7 plus 16, which is 28. So 28 students will admire exactly one of the players. And let's see E. E says how many admire exactly 2 of the players. So if you look here, exactly 2 of the players would definitely be this 10 as admire both Hazard and Messi, so that 2 players. The 8 Hazard, the 8 admire Messi and Ronaldo, 2 players. Then the 12 admire Ronaldo and Hazard, also 2 players. So for exactly 2 players, then you have okay, here should be the number of members. All right, so we just, all right, the number of members that admire Hazard intercept Messi Union, Messi intercept Ronaldo Union, Ronaldo intercept Hazard, minus the intersection of all 3 of them, which is Messi intercept Ronaldo intercept Hazard. So it is this portion. So you'll be subtracting this portion, because these 24 admire 3 of the players, so they will not form part of those that admire exactly 2 players. Okay, so then you will have 10 plus 12 plus 8. That will give you 30. So 30 of the students admire exactly 2 of the players. Thank you.